मैं शिमले की हूँ जी। आपको कितने साल हुए यहाँ?
गुड इवनिंग। मैं 4-5 साल हो गया।
मैं नई आई हूँ यहाँ इसलिए।
Well, I'm pleased to meet you all.
We are also pleased to be meeting you.
I am Brown.
Oh, no. You are committing a mistake.
Mistake?
Yes, please. You are not brown. We are brown. You are white.
My name is Brown. I am your teacher.
Ah, you professori!
Yes.
I was thinking you studenti!
Quiet, please.
Silenzio!
Thank you. Right, would you all like to sit down? Sit down.
Awesome!
Right, I'll just take a note of all your names, nationalities, and occupations. Right?
Por favor, señor.
Yes?
Es la primera vez que vengo. ¿Es esta la clase para aprender inglés?
Well, I haven't the faintest idea what you're saying, but I'm sure you're not trying to find the needlework class.
Por favor.
It doesn't matter. Have a seat.
Por favor.
Sit down.
Ah, sí.
No, not there.
Por favor.
There.
Ah, sí.
Right, I'll just go around the class and take your names. Yes? Ah, yes. What is your name?
Maximilian Andrea Archimedes Papandreou.
I think I'll just put you down as Max. Take it you're Greek?
He is right, from Athens.
Good. And what is your job?
I walk with sheeps.
You walk with sheep? You're a shepherd? You work on a farm?
No, not far.
But you just said you work with sheep.
No. Sheeps. Big sheeps.
Sheeps?
Yes, sheeps. Tonkers.
Tankers?
Right. I work in office.
Good. Thank you. And your name?
Anna Schmidt, German au pair.
Usual German efficiency?
Germans are always efficient.
Not her. So. Japanese. Much more efficient.
Nine Germans are the best.
Japanese make a much better television and cameras.
Now, please, let us have no racialism. In this class, all are equal. Your name?
Giovanni Cupello, Italian.
And where do you work?
I work in Ristorante dei Popoli.
A waiter?
No, not a waiter, a cucita. Sì, a cucita ravioli, a cucita spaghetti, a cucita lasagna, a cucita everything.
A chef.
Okay.
And your name?
हाँ जी?
What is your name?
क्या कहा?
Me, Jeremy Brown. You...
पता नहीं जी क्या कह रहे हो?
Max, Anna Schmidt, Giovanni Cupello. You...
ओहो, आप नाम पूछ रहे हो? अच्छा, मैं लिख देती हूँ। लिखती हूँ। 1 मिनट, फिक्र ना करो जी, लिखना पढ़ना आता है मुझे। हाँ जी? अच्छा।
Yes, write your name down. Good. It's no good. I need your name in English.
No Urdu?
No Urdu.
हाय तो मैं यहाँ काहे के लिए आई? अंग्रेजी आती होती तो मैं सीखने आती अंग्रेजी कोई। आपको क्या चाहिए? अब मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ से लाऊं मैं, पता नहीं क्या चाहिए आपको। देखो जी सही लिखा हुआ होगा अंग्रेजी तो पता नहीं, देखो ये तो नहीं कहीं कागज जो आपको चाहिए।
Certificate of registration, Jamila Ranja, housewife. Thank you. Good. And your name?
I am Ali Nadeem from Lahore. I am working at the moment, not anywhere at all.
You're unemployed?
Yes, please. Only one day a week I'm working.
What do you do then?
I'm going to the unemployment exchange to be collecting my money. Oh, blimey. I get more money for not being working than when I'm working.
Yes, but before you discovered this secret of eternal wealth, what did you do?
Blimey, I worked at the Taj Mahal.
In Delhi?
Oh, no, Patani. Taj Mahal Tandoori restaurants. Jolly good chapati and papadams.
1,000 apologies for my lateness. The omnibus was going backwards.
I'm sure there must be a more logical explanation.
It is the absolute truth. I was told to be taking a number 27 omnibus, and I complied. But it went in a backward direction.
No, I think you meant it was going the other way.
That is the gist of what I am saying. 1,000 apologies.
All right. Perhaps you'd like to sit next to Ali, your countryman.
I cannot sit there. It's impossible.
Why is it impossible?
I am sick.
Oh, dear. I hope it's not contagious. Perhaps you ought to come back when you're better.
I do not comprehend the gist of your conversation.
Well, you said you were sick.
No. I am not referring to my physical state of mind.
How do you feel about Roman Catholics?
Oh, I treat them like my brothers.
Good. Well, you can go and sit next to Giovanni then.
Puppy! Infidel!
Gentlemen, please. We're here to learn English, not start a holy war. And what is your name?
Ranjit Singh,
And you're from which country?
Punjab.
And what is your job?
I am a very important member of the British underground.
Underground what?
Just the underground. Mind the door!
That underground. And your name?
Carol Nagasumi. My name Cardo. Japanese. Representative of Bushida Electronics.
Very good, very good. And finally, your name.
Por favor,
Your name. What is your name?
por favor.
Nome.
Ah, nombre, sí. Juan Cervantes, para servirle, señor.
No need to ask what nationality you are.
Por favor,
Spanish.
por favor,
What is your job?
por favor.
Trabalho.
Ah, trabajo, sí. Trilaga.
Tree lagger? What, you lag trees?
One gin tonic, 2 whiskey coca, Trilaga.
Tree lagers.
Sí,
Ah, you work in a bar?
sí, va.
Well, Mr. Brown?
Yes, thank you. Apart from one attempted murder and a possible race riot, I seem to be coping reasonably well.
Well, what I really came to inform you about was the registration fees for the students. Now, it's £5 per head, and I should be grateful if you would collect the money and bring it to my office in your tea break.
Right, I'll do that.
Well, we have one thing to be grateful for anyway. Sex won't be rearing its ugly little head.
Beg your pardon?
Well, in my experience, it isn't race or religion that causes the problems. It's usually the presence of some foreign beauty. Jealousies, intrigues, all that sort of thing.
Yes, well, looking at my class, I don't think we'd be too bothered with anything like that.
I come to learn English. Have I come to the right place?